Welcome back, algebra students. We're going to be looking at section C checkpoint. We're going to be doing all three of them at once. It says, write the value of each expression as a complex number in the form of a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers. Okay, so the first one is going to be pretty straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and take 2 minus 4a plus negative 6 minus 3i, right? So I want to combine like terms. By that I mean I'm going to take that 6 and the negative, sorry, that 2 and the negative 6, and I'm going to combine them. And then I'm going to take the negative 4i and I'm going to combine it with the negative 3i. So that means 2 plus negative 6, that gives me a negative 4. Negative 4i plus negative 3i, that gives me a negative 7i. And that's my solution for part A. Let's look at B. 2 minus negative 6, a minus and a negative turns to a positive. 2 plus 6, that becomes a positive 8. Negative 4 minus negative 3, that becomes a positive. So this becomes a minus I, a single I. And then this next one, C. C is going to be a little bit tricky because C, there's no sign in between. So guess what? That means I'm multiplying. So I'm going to be doing 2 minus 4i times negative 6 minus 3i. Okay, here we go. 2 times negative 6, that gives me negative 12. Negative 4i times negative 6, that gives me positive 24i. Then I got to do 2 times negative 3. That's going to give me negative 6i. And then negative 4i times negative 3i, that's going to give me plus 12i squared. If you look at my rules for I represents the square root of negative 1, and I squared represents negative 1. So here I'm going to simplify this. I'm going to combine this term with this term, and I'll show you how in a bit. And I'm going to combine this term with this term. So right here, let's do the 24i minus 6i. That's going to give me 18i. And then minus 12 plus, well, I said I squared is equal to negative 1. What is 12 times negative 1? That's going to be a negative 12. So now I'm rewriting this as 18i minus 12 minus 12. So my final answer is going to look like this. I'm combining this negative 12 with that negative 12. I'm going to get negative 24 plus 18i. And this is my solution. Okay, so I had to FOIL this out. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. But other than that, that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.